What's going on, guys? This is the Ecom boss, and in today's video I'm coming at you guys with a brand new Facebook update. Because Facebook recently, I think it was 1 or 2 days ago, I was on a coaching call. I didn't even see it myself, but the guy was coaching. For some weird reason, his Facebook were acting up, and this was not even Facebook, it was Shopify. These two platforms, Shopify and Facebook, is partnered up or done something. I'm not an expert yet at this, but I will tell you guys what I've seen so far. So we actually managed to put out the ads, connect the pixel and everything, but now Facebook and Shopify goes together inside of Shopify. I'm going to take you guys inside of my computer and show what I mean. Like I said, this is only my take on it. I'm not an expert on this because this is completely new, at least in my country and in his country. But we'll see. I'll tell you guys what I know, and we'll just take it from there. As long as I know more than you, it should be worth it. So if you guys like this video, make sure to press a like later on when you're watching, or just be nice and press the like right now. Also, make sure to subscribe. That would mean the world to me. It really would. So if you want to get into the coaching program with dropshipping Facebook ads for Q4, crushing it, making a lot of money, you can message me on Instagram here. And let's get straight into the video. So what we can see here is that the Facebook pixel type of thing has changed. So when you go to online store, you can scroll down, you will see preferences. Funny part here is you can still paste in your Facebook pixel ID, but you got to set up the pixel. This is really weird. It's to get a proper setup. It actually says it here: connect your pixel with Facebook ad. The app ensures proper setup while enabling advanced tracking options and other features that help you target new and exciting customers. Let's check it out. You click setup pixel. I'm going to show you guys now in a second. By the way, guys, this is not my store. Just letting you guys know. So Facebook account, first of all, you need to connect a Facebook account. I'm not going to do this now because I do not want to connect my accounts, but I'm going to tell you guys how you connect your stuff. So we got Facebook account. You want to connect your Shopify with your Facebook account. This stuff is really weird, because when you're going to find a pixel now, funny part is the pixel is here. The pixel on Facebook will be the pixel here. At least that's what I'm pretty sure I saw on the other day when I was on this coaching call. So the pixel, you will find it in Shopify. Either you'll find it in Shopify, or this is the same as on your Facebook page, which basically means the pixel will already be here, and you need to take this pixel and match it. So it's just different of where you're matching pixel these days. So set up your Facebook account. Here you also need to connect a business manager to your Facebook. No, you also need to connect a business manager to your Shopify. I don't know why they did it. It was super easy already, but for some reason Shopify just decided to change stuff. I don't know why. It's just, it worked so well already. We're also going to talk about some new Facebook ad features too, though, but I don't know why they did it. But you set up your business manager, you set up your page. It's all straightforward. You just follow what they say. You just press the buttons. Then you also need to set up your ad account, and then the pixel tracking, which is where I'm pretty sure when you click on this pixel tracking, it will show a pixel already. So the pixel now most likely is basically inside of Shopify, and you just bring the pixel from there. Back in the days, you used to take it from Facebook, but I'm pretty sure the pixel is inside Shopify. If not, it could be inside of Facebook too, but the pixel tracking section there should match with Facebook. You will have some problems as well in terms of getting your pixel active. The guy I was talking with, it took a lot of time to get the pixel active because of these new changes. Also seems like Facebook is not really adapted to this Shopify change yet, which I find to be really weird. Still, you do not do your ads inside the Shopify though, but this is how we do it. So Facebook target country, I do not know about that because I've not seen it before. It's just new stuff every day. And we got advanced marketing, nothing you guys should really stress, and then we got terms and conditions. You obviously just accept the terms of conditions. This is definitely a headache to set up. I do recommend you guys to set up it. Just don't be the lazy guy who don't, because it's gonna affect your marketing a lot. But this is easy, just straightforward. You connect this, you connect that, you connect this, you connect that, and here you should be able to find your pixel. Either you find it here or on Facebook, but you will see it when you set it up. I'm just letting you guys know, like, check your Shopify. If you did not see this yet, go into Shopify and check it. It's gonna be important. So if you scroll a little bit up here, it says set up Facebook marketing, and it also says Facebook. So we can slide on over to Facebook right now. Here we go, guys. You see, welcome to the Facebook channel. This stuff is so new. I don't know if it's cool yet or if it's just absolutely not needed to create, but we'll see. So you could click on start setup. I can click on it. I'm not going to set up anything now. We also got sell on Instagram. So here you also connect to Facebook shops. You connect your Facebook account, your business manager, Facebook page, pixel tracking. This is a lot. So you guys probably wonder what a Facebook shop is. It is a new feature on Facebook, and it's pretty cool. I'll now read a paragraph on it. I'm not an expert yet because this stuff is new, at least when it comes to Shopify, but I'll read a paragraph on it. I think it started like in March. No, it actually started in May, I'm pretty sure, but I'll read a paragraph now. Facebook shops make it easy for businesses to set up a single online store for customers to access on both Facebook and Instagram. Creating a Facebook shop is free and simple. Businesses can choose the product they want and to feature from their catalog, and then customize the look and feel of their shop with a cover image and accent colors that showcase their brand. This means any seller, no matter the size of the budget, can bring their business online and connect with customers wherever and whenever it's convenient for them. People can find Facebook shops on business, Facebook page, or Instagram profile, or discover them through stories on ads. From there, you can browse your full collection, save products you're interested in, and place an order, either on the business website or without leaving the app, if Facebook has enabled checkout in US. This is a cool thing, guys. People could like instantly sell to you on Facebook. You don't even have to go inside of their store. Still, you will get the data, you'll get the tracking and everything. But this means for all of you guys that has, you have 2 different add to carts, 2 different checkouts, because you have 1 add to cart on Facebook and 1 add to cart on your store. You need now to just change that and make sure you have it for both, so you guys will be able to see that, how many people buy from Facebook. So I would recommend setting up a Facebook shop. It's always cool, especially if you have a page, that a lot of people go into. Like I said, it's free because you could always throw out products there. But, I still think we do the traditional drop shipping though with Facebook ads like we always did. Just make sure you verify your pixel, set it up and everything just like I showed you guys now. But the Facebook shop is a cool way of people, a little bit like Amazon one-click upsell. I do not know why I relate those two, but it's just, the thing that's true about both of them is that you make it easier for the customer. On Amazon, you could one-click and then buy the order. Now on Facebook, they also made it a little bit easier like they did over there. You can buy it from Facebook. You do not have to, go to Shopify, then go to their website and purchase it. Maybe you could put in your card on Facebook too. I've not really experimented with it. I'm just giving you guys the news, the updates, everything. I'm not done too much on it, but I'm just saying, guys, go into Shopify, go into online store, go to the preferences. Make sure you guys, utilize this fact. You set up the Facebook account, business manager, Facebook page, pixel and everything. If the pixel does not get verified, you will just have to wait. It might take some time to actually be an active pixel, but set this thing up, because I was looking at my ads, the data was messing around before I was able to set this thing up. So just recommend you guys, if you see it, do not ignore it. I don't know if this is in every country. Just set this thing up, or it's gonna just not be too cool with your ads. So anyways, guys, that was just a quick update on the new Facebook features, how Facebook works right now. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Always want to bring you guys the news, you already know. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, you drop a like on this video, and drop a nice comment down below. You'll be seeing me in the next video.